I've been sitting in this chair staring at the viewfinder, feeling like something about the background is off, but I think it's my chair. I'm just like, why does this feel like I'm like doing a presidential speech of some sort? Like, what is this? But we're in my craft room. I thought it would be like the perfect place to do today's video. It's gonna be a short one, but I wanted to do like a fully dedicated video about my fall and Halloween kits. I know I've been talking about it a lot. I've had a lot of you guys ask me when it's coming out, and today is the day. So it's going to be linked down below, but I do want to talk about the kits and talk about the questions and emails that I get the most about them. So the first things that you need to know in case this is your first time kind of hearing about my mystery kits, but that's essentially what they are. You won't know necessarily what's going to be packed in them other than some key staples, which will be listed in the listings of each kit. So each kit is going to be separately marked. So the one with the orange bow is going to be the fall kit, and this one's going to specifically have the composition notebook. So this is going to be a starter kit for junk journaling. So if you've never seen like junk journaling videos, there's just a slew of them out there. They're my favorite. It's one of my favorite things to do, just kind of like to unwind. It's just been it's been my favorite project, like hobby that I've ever done, and it's amazing because the thing about junk journals, and especially for somebody like me, there's no like rules, there's no method to the madness. It's just whatever you want it to be, and that's why I love them so much. So I started doing my first ever mystery kits, which you guys made so successful. I could not believe how many orders I got. I got somewhere between 400 to 500 orders, which blew my mind. And then from there, you guys asked, are there going to be themed mystery kits? And the answer was yes. So I followed that up with the summer edition kits, which are no longer available, but I will be bringing them back out next summer. But now we're moving into the fall mystery kits, and this is the Halloween trick-or-treat grab bag. So like I mentioned, they're mystery kits, so essentially you won't know every single little detail that you're gonna get in them. They're all going to be different, and especially if you decide to order more than one, I'm going to make sure that your kits do get like a variety of difference between each kit that you're getting. That's if you're ordering more than one in one single order, if that makes sense. Now let's say you order one on a Tuesday and then one on a Friday, they're gonna be two separate orders, and it's hard for me to kind of just like remember names and know to like give differences. So in the fall kit, it's gonna be more fall related rather than Halloween, but you're still gonna get some like Halloween goodies in here as well. And this one is going to, like I said, actually have a composition notebook. So here are the fall books. They are a mini version, and the reason why I've decided to do a mini version of the composition notebooks rather than a larger one, it really came down to shipping, and it came down to lowering the cost for you guys. It just, the weight really kind of threw it off. Even by a little ounce, it like separated like a $5 difference in shipping. So it really just came down to, this is just a better deal right now for you guys and for shipping, and again, keeping the cost down. And getting composition notebooks are very easy to do, so I figured it would just be worth it to do a mini version for you guys. Look how pretty they are. Now you will not be able to choose the color. That's the other thing. None of these kits are custom, and that's something that I've gotten a lot of in emails. Can I have this? Can I have that? I would love, honestly, to do things like that, but I'm only one person running this. So unless this starts to just get so big that I'm going to need like help kind of coming in, then that could change in the future and I could do custom orders. But right now it is a full-on mystery kit. You will not know what pieces you get in here, but you are guaranteed 55 pieces in the fall kit, and some of them I'm actually crafting myself for you guys. So there's that. But again, just to let you know, if somebody says I want the blue or I want the yellow, it's going to be a mystery. So that's just yeah, that's part of the mystery grab bag. And so you're gonna have your little mini journal, and then again, 55 mystery pieces in here. And when you open it up, you'll find out what you get. So there's that. Now the Halloween one, and this is kind of why I want to do something a little bit different. I wanted to give you guys 2 options this time. And the Halloween is not a starter pack. You know, the starter pack really essentially means you're getting the journal itself in here, but this is just like a filler pack. So if you already have your journal, you already have one started, these just include a bunch of goodies that you can put into your junk journal or just whatever journaling that you're doing, to be honest. So this is the Halloween trick or treat grab bag, and these have 25 wonderful pieces in here, also pieces that I will be crafting myself as well. I also wanted to add that when you do click on the link and go visit my Etsy shop and you see the photos that I've uploaded to these, those are sample photos. So keep that in mind. Not everything you see in the photo is a guarantee that you will get in your kit. It's just a sample, a variety of things, just so you can get a general idea of what the kits essentially look like. It doesn't include everything, and you may not get any of the items pictured in the sample, but you'll get things in a variety like that, if that makes sense. So the kits are now available. I will leave the link down below, but please be sure that you read the full descriptions on both of these listings. They're gonna tell you the processing time. Again, I'm just one person. I wish I could turn these around for you guys like I'm Amazon Prime, but I cannot. And it's especially hard for me to gauge how many orders I'm going to get. So that's why my processing time is set as long as it is, just dependent on orders. Now that means you could get your order a lot sooner than the processing time, but you could also get it, you know, at the guaranteed when it should ship. So when you do check out, it will tell you the shipping date based off of the processing time that I've set for both of these. So keep that in mind. And I also wanted to take this time to show you guys, in case you did not know, but I designed my own composition notebooks. Now, another reason why these are just not part of the kits is because, again, they're the larger ones, there's more weight to them. Plus, these are actually printed and distributed by Amazon, so it just would not be cost effective for me to like do these in bulk right now, because, you know, obviously like Amazon's got to get their cut and all of that. So you can buy them though, however, individually from my Amazon account. Yeah, so it's also linked down below. And when you click on the link, you're gonna find there's a bunch of new ones that you don't even see here. So they're super cute. I'm always gonna put out new designs. But yeah, my very own composition notebooks. There are 100 pages in here. So hopefully that answers the biggest questions. Again, the ones that I get the emails the most about, doing something custom or the shipping time. Definitely check the listing on the processing time when you check out, because it will again give you the shipping date. So yeah, these are the mystery kits for fall and Halloween. I'm so excited to do these for you guys. This has been like my most favorite, I wouldn't say merch per se, but this has been my favorite venture that I've done in such a long time, and it makes me so happy to put these together for you guys. So a big thank you to those of you who bought my very first round, and like me learning from that and processing and putting together orders, and you know, me wanting to make the packaging very cute, everything very cute, the shipping very cute. So hopefully you guys will love your goodies, and thank you so much in advance for those of you that have been just like waiting for these to drop. Again, they're linked down below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.